If you've been keeping your eye on the crypto markets lately, you've probably noticed a pretty mind-blowing trend that we are also actively following: the unstoppable rise of SEI. This has seriously been like watching a rocket take off, because the SEI ecosystem is practically on a cosmic expansion spree right now. It happens to be down today, but whatever, we're not in this for the short term. The point is that if you look at the last several months, looking at the last 90 days here, it's up about 800%, specifically 700% in just 2 months. There are 3 projects in particular that are largely responsible for SEI's price surge, and we're breaking those down in today's video. Welcome to the channel, guys. My name is Maddie, and this is Altcoin Buzz. Best of luck if you choose to invest, as long as we all remember that I am not a financial or investment advisor. So kindly remember that this video is not official financial or investment advice. Imagine centralized exchange trading access and liquidity, but with no KYC. You can get the volume and the pricing you need without any KYC requirements using BYDFi. It's true. You can trade over 400 trading pairs in the spot market or 150 pairs in the perps market, and you can withdraw 0.5 BTC daily. Plus, fees are super low. We're talking 0.6% for futures and perp trades. Slippage is basically non-existent, and you can trade with up to 200 times leverage or set and forget with the auto invest. And again, all with no KYC. You're also going to get up to $8,698 in bonuses for trying BYDFi, along with a free month of our money-making Altcoin Buzz Alpha service just for giving BYDFi a try. You can check out this deal by clicking the link in the description of this video and the pinned comment below. I want to mention right off the top that we did an exploratory video about SEI yesterday. Take a look at that one and make sure you've watched it in case you're not up to speed. But by way of introducing the project briefly, SEI is a Cosmos-based Layer 1 blockchain, and it's revolutionizing digital asset trading, particularly in decentralized exchanges, also known as DEXs. That's because SEI brings the speed and ease of centralized exchanges, but without compromising security or decentralization. However, unlike centralized exchanges, CEXs, SEI is asset and application agnostic, which grants access to a myriad of tokens across various blockchain applications. Users can seamlessly trade in DeFi, NFTs, and GameFi ecosystems at their leisure. And that's why most people consider SEI to be the decentralized NASDAQ. So let's kick off our list here and consider those projects that are propping up SEI that are making it successful. We begin here at number 1 with Levana Protocol, which is a crypto collateralized perpetual swap platform. It offers high yields and low fees on all kinds of different blockchains. Levana is currently deployed on 3 blockchains. Those are Osmosis, SEI, and Injective, or in other words, all Cosmos chains. Levana's core mission is risk management and mutual benefits for both traders and liquidity providers. Levana uses a standard liquidity pool-based approach to market liquidity, and liquidity providers earn yield for the use of their funds. And Levana is very relevant in SEI's ecosystem because it provides up to 30x leverage for long and short positions with tokens like Ethereum and Bitcoin. And this positions SEI as a major player in high leverage trading, thus granting users access to cutting edge products. Levana's LVL token has real potential in our opinion. It's down a little bit right now as I record, but that's the state of the market. If you look at the past 7 days here, it's up pretty nicely from a low of just about 20 cents to where it sits now at 24.5 cents. At number 2 here in our list of top SEI ecosystem projects, we're looking at Pallet Exchange, which is a top SEI native marketplace for NFTs. SEI's focus on financial apps has made it a home for NFTs when used in collections or tokenizing assets. And Pallet really is playing a huge role in SEI's incredible surge, and that's thanks to the many activities on the Pallet Exchange. Pallet recently had its first $1 million market volume day, and that just demonstrates the strong interest in NFTs on SEI. And generally speaking, Pallet showcases popular NFT collections. So we're talking collections like The Colony, WeBump, Saiyans, These are collections which record impressive trading volumes. The Colony's price, for example, increased from 999 SEI to 2,200 SEI. That is pretty remarkable price growth. And We's floor price rose from 649 SEI to 1,230. It also achieved a total trading volume of over 1 million SEI. And then we have Seiin's trading volume, which surpassed 1.75 million SEI in just 5 days. These collections show us that NFTs are popular on SEI, and Pallet remains vital to this ecosystem as a marketplace. Okay, and finally, last but not least here, at number 3, we're looking at Astroport, which is the leading DEX on SEI. It emerged from the fallen Luna ecosystem and has gotten back on track. Currently, Astroport has 10 coins and 171 trading pairs available. Here are some of the best features of this DEX. It's got programmable liquidity, all new Rust code, it's got Oracle integration, and easy dApp integration. And then in addition to these, Astroport also supports 3 liquidity pool types: Uniswap's constant product formula pools, Curve's stable swap invariant formula pools, and passive concentrated liquidity pools. And another nice feature is that Astroport also allows other dApps to integrate its liquidity directly into their platforms. So traders across multiple chains can access each other's liquidity. The Astro token, that's ASTRO, is Astroport's native token, and it has huge potential. Astro was considered dead following the Terra crisis. Things were looking pretty grim at that time, but the token is up 13x, and many experts expect Astro to do an extra 10x this year. Shown here is this token's insane growth over the last 3 months. And although it's done very well, the fact of the matter is it still only sits at a market cap of $131.5 million. So again, with the general success of this ecosystem and all the hype around SEI and its supporting projects, there's still a lot of room for this one to grow. Again, Astroport, ticker ASTRO. Altcoin Buzz Alpha is proud to say that we now have a winning portfolio spread among different sectors. And additionally, we're also very well positioned to get into good IDOs. And if you're into passive income and airdrops, just check out the number that we've received until now. Add to that the original TIA airdrop and all the others that are upcoming. We've achieved this by giving several deeply researched and diversified calls. Just check out some of these numbers from December 2023, last month. And right now, the plan moving forward is to reallocate profits to low caps, to diversify into new segments, to keep getting bigger and better airdrops, to catch the latest trends like Bitcoin and Linea inscriptions, and to dollar cost average during market flushes. We just recently introduced a yearly subscription to Patreon, and you can take advantage of that because if you subscribe to that yearly plan for a limited time, you get 1 month's membership completely free. Check us out by clicking on the link in the description of this video and the pinned comment below.